Hey, what's up, guys? Stan Medina, Massive Action. The law of momentum. What is the law of momentum? And I'm gonna break that down for you today. Uh, sharing with y'all some tips and strategies that y'all can use to go into the week with some momentum. And so, basically, the law of momentum is very similar to what can you say? What are those things called? The merry-go-rounds, right? Where everybody gets on and one person has to push, right? Well, the people that are, let's just say, just visualize a merry-go-round, right? Just close your eyes and you're at a park and there's this big merry-go-round and it's you and it's all your problems and it's all your obstacles and it's all the missions that you want to accomplish. It's all your targets. It's all your goals. It's everything all on that one merry-go-round, right? And you're the lucky person that has to push that merry-go-round. Well, the law of momentum works similar to that, right? So we all have this thing that we want to accomplish in life, or some obstacles that we want to get through, maybe some stuff that we want to get past, and and life is very similar to the merry-go-round because someone needs to create the momentum. Someone needs to be pushing. And if you think that someone's gonna come along and push your merry-go-round with all your problems and all your goals and all your obstacles and all your challenges and all your weaknesses and all your strengths, uh, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, and you're gonna live a life of being pissed off because you didn't take responsibility. Says, hey, you know what? If I want this thing to move, I got to move it myself. Okay. And as you get the momentum going in your life, there's gonna be people that can't hang on. They're too weak to hang on because you could get a lot of momentum. You could catch a lot of speed, where some people that weren't listening to be ready weren't ready and they fell off. Okay, so let's get into it. So look, check it out. So let's start with the habits, right? So let me tell you something about habits. Habit takes 30 days or longer to get kind of the rhythm with with that new habit, right? So whatever your new habit is, it takes about 60 days to kind of start to feel comfortable with that habit and doing it every day to where it becomes a regular thing, right? But it also takes 2 to 3 days to lose that habit. So what does that mean? That means that if you start a new habit on Monday, and you got and by Thursday or Friday you're getting a good momentum going, but then Saturday and Sunday comes and you stop, the momentum stops. Okay, so the key is to make sure that you're forcing some progress every day. You're keeping the momentum going every day, and it's just like I said, the merry-go-round, right? Once you get the momentum going, once you get the speed going, then all you got to do is just with one hand you can just kind of keep the momentum going. It's the same thing with life, okay? If we keep that momentum going, we'll get some progress. We'll have fun, okay? It's when we stop that it gets kind of tough, because now we got to start from the bottom and we got to push with both hands. We got to use our feet, we got to use our whole body, and we got to get that thing going again, all right? So look, 60 days or more to form a new habit. It takes 2 to 3 days to lose that habit. So make sure that you're doing something daily to keep that habit going, right? And so a couple of things you can do is write things down. Write what you're doing down. Write the things that you need to do down. If you're trying to eat right, say eat right, eat lean. If you're trying to work out, just put work out. If you're trying to study, trying to save. If you're trying to grow, I want to grow. Today I want to grow 1% better. Put that on there so that you start to look at it and it starts to create some mental. It starts to work mentally, and it makes you work mentally, right? So not all work is physical. Some work is mental. And so the next thing you can do is mark out your calendar. Mark out the calendar of things that you need to do. And see most people get a calendar, and the first thing that all they have on their calendar is birthdays, holidays, right? Why not use a calendar to put, okay, today I'm gonna go to the gym, today I'm gonna do this, today I'm gonna do this, today I'm gonna do this. Wednesday I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. Thursday I'm gonna do this, Saturday I'm gonna do this, this. Sunday I'm gonna do this, this, and this. So use that calendar as a life calendar. Like, use it how you want to live your life. You know, because look, it also gives you an out if you don't want to do something with someone that says, they call you, says, hey, guess what? We want to invite you to our party, and there's gonna be drinking, there's gonna be all this crazy stuff. You're like, man, you know what? I have something on my calendar already. Oh man, that sucks. That's cool. Maybe next time. Okay. So you just got out of that. So what's good? It keeps you in your momentum state, and so you want to stay in that momentum state as long as possible. Okay. The next thing is do it anyway. And so I'm gonna give you a good example of do it anyway. So look, this video. Every Monday, I'm starting to do a live Zoom call, right? So we have a private band group, and I'm gonna start doing Monday Zoom calls to get everybody going for the week. And I recorded this video 3 times, right? And I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do it tomorrow, and it's just like. I'm just gonna do it tomorrow because the audio was off, and I was like, man, I just wanna. I'm done for the day, right? But I told myself, you know what? Just do it anyway. Just do it anyway because you know what? Like, because maybe you don't feel like doing it, but maybe someone needs to hear this. You understand? Maybe. See, if I would have said, hey, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Then if I would have told y'all tomorrow, hey, do it anyway, then I didn't even do it anyway. So I said, fuck, I said, you know what the hell with that? If I'm going to tell people to do it anyway, I'm going to do it anyway. You understand? So because that way I'm true to my word, right? So do it anyway. So good example, like if you don't feel like going to the gym, but you know you had it on your calendar, just go anyway. Just go anyway and stay for 10 minutes. At least you got it done. Right? If you hate doing finances, like just do it anyway. Just start to watch a YouTube video on it. If you hate budgeting, watch a video on budgeting. If you hate reading, just say, hey, I'm just gonna read 2 pages. That's it. I'm just gonna read 2 pages and that's it. Even though I don't like reading, even though I don't like studying, I'm just gonna read 2 pages. Okay? Hey, do it anyway. Okay? Because that do it anyway is part of the momentum. Because look. Think about the Ferris wheel again. That Ferris wheel's going around. You're comfortable. You're good, right? But you do it anyway, right? So do it anyway. Last one is gonna be write down your hourly routine. What you want to do hourly. And so, if you start to write down things you want to do hourly, what it does is you start to form a routine, and a lot of habits are done by routine. A lot of habits are formed by routine. For example, if you say, hey, I get up at this time, I drive down this street, and when I drive down this street, there's a Starbucks there. So when I see Starbucks, I want Starbucks. So I stop at Starbucks, and I drink a coffee every day. But now I want to form a habit of not buying Starbucks every day because I notice that I'm spending so much money on coffee, and that's a bad habit, right? Okay, so change the routine. Change the routine and say, okay, you know what? I'm going to get up in the morning. But instead of going this way, I'm going to go maybe this way to the gym. And from the gym, I'm going to come to work. And I change my routine, so that changes the habit. You see? So it's not so hard. So the routine always controls the habit. Okay? So think about that. I'm going to give you 2 more things, and that's it. Okay? Get in bigger rooms. So get in bigger rooms where people are smarter than you. People are doing bigger things than you. Because if you do, they're going to elevate you to a different level. Okay? Every now and then change the environment, because if you're in an environment where there's a lot of poor people, a lot of people that complain, a lot of people that are negative, and you go into an environment where people are making a lot of money, people are positive, people are having fun, you're going to feel that energy and you're going to like it and you're going to want to come back. So hey guys, Massive Action, make sure you subscribe. Give us a bell or thumbs up, something, show us some love. Massive Action guys, see you next week. Like I said, if you want to know more, go to our band group. It's in the comments below. It's free. Sign up. I'll put the Zoom links on there when we do Zoom. If you have any questions, I hope you get that momentum going, guys. Later, guys. Massive Action.